to another episode of SQL Interview Insights. Today, let's solve a problem which was asked at Google and Deloitte. I got this question from Scratch. Let's get started. So, we have a voting results table, and each person has one vote. So, if they vote for multiple candidates, their vote gets equally split. For example, if a person votes for two candidates, these candidates receive equivalent of 0.5 vote each. So if we look at the voting results table, let's take Nancy as the example. Nancy, she voted for 5 candidates here. So each candidate will receive 0.2 vote of Nancy. Find out who got the most votes and won the election. Output the name of the candidate or multiple names in case of a tie. To avoid the issues with floating point error, you can round the number to 3 decimal places. So to solve this problem, if we can do a group by on voter, we'll know exactly how many candidates he or she voted. And based on that number, if we can divide that one vote divided by whatever count of the candidates we got, we'll be knowing the weightage for each voter for the candidates. So let's get started. I'll just say select voter and then count star. I'll just say voter weightage for now from voting results. Do a group by voter. So if we see here, we took the Nancy example here. She voted for 5 candidates, so we got 5. Now if we can divide that 5 with the one vote she has, so that will be 1 divided by the count of the candidate she voted. So now we know 0.2 for each candidate, so this should be fine, but we have other 0.33, and this is what they mentioned to use it 3 decimal places. You can use a round function here for 3 decimals. Let's run this one more time. Yeah, now this looks good. Let's put this one in a CTE here. And the next step will be, we need to know the candidate weightage now. So if we can just select candidate and join with this table, candidate from the voter result table, voting results table, and join it back with the CTE with the voter vote weightage, we should be able to address that issue. So candidate, and then we need to have the sum of votes. We'll just say sum of votes from voting results and do an inner join to our CTE. Group by candidate. And we do have certain null values here. Let's go back to the original table and see what value we have. So in the original table, we see certain voters, they did not vote to any of the candidates, and that is what we see in the result here. We'll just filter out the candidates here. Yeah, now we know Christine, he got the highest votes, so we have to do a rank function. So I'll directly do a rank function here without using another column for the sum, because the output doesn't need the sum here. I'll just create rank on the sum itself. Order by votes. And let's see the output here. Yeah, now Christine got 1. So all we have to do is select candidate. And we got the Christine as the output. Thank you for watching this video.